Hi Carlos, this is Josh at Encore Mustang Parts going over this 84.5 GT bumper with you that I've got. It's the first one I came across that I thought was in very good condition. I know what you're looking for. You're looking for something excellent. This is really close. Other than a couple scuffs, there's one little gouge right there. I really don't see any flaws in this bumper. Now we both know that there is a crack down here by the fog light. It's about the size of my thumb there. I won't know until some further investigation if it's been repaired before. But I wanted you to get a look at this thing. It's really nice. I mean, yeah, the paint makes it look good, but I can tell it's not warped or anything like that. It's actually just very, very nice. I know to look in all the holes for cracks. It looks like this one didn't crack. I mean, across the bottom, it still looks really good. So I just wanted to, yeah, I know what you said about these screws. Yeah, that's just to hold the trim on. But I think this is a really nice bumper. So it's getting dark out today. I know you're in a hurry, so the next time I'm here in the daylight, I'll probably take some still photos, maybe even another video for you. But other than the one major gouge and that crack at the bottom, I really don't see anything for you to be concerned about. So at least now you got to lay your eyes on it. Let me know what you think, and probably should get this pulled off and I'll get you a 360-degree view at my earliest available time. Thanks very much. Talk to you soon.